Talk about Parliament. I'm one of the people that believe that Parliament is the biggest burden our country has had. It is totally useless. We don't have many people of substance. Really, it's become a deal house, you know, and so that house is one of the most unfortunate things that happened to the country, because imagine the attrition of funds going through Parliament. they even steal extra, which for me is very, very unfortunate. If you look at the budget of Parliament and what that money would be put to use to, in fact, I would rather Parliament was shrunk, because we had a smaller Parliament and it was effective. So I would rather Parliament was shrunk and those resources extended to institutions that are useful to the citizens, like the judiciary. If you were to ask any Ugandan, what value does Parliament add to your life? I can assure even I, that is educated in the legal profession, I find the value addition very limited. But if you ask a Ugandan, what value does the judiciary add, the answers will be different, because all of us are looking for justice in one way or the other.